Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for the 16th of January 2024. See what's happening in the market and what we can expect. Let's start from Forex Factory. Tomorrow we have low impact. Let me see 1 second. Yeah, we got, okay, let me remove this. Yeah, normally we expected in high impact USD news, but anyway, let me see if this filter on. We can put the lower impact as well. Today was a bank holiday, 15th. As you can see that we didn't see any much movement in gold. And tomorrow we can expect some movement of 4 p.m. Let's see, 1:30 p.m. we'll have US dollar. There's some high impact news. And CAD, we have CAD 1:30 p.m. We have CPI, and we got 3 CPI news for the CAD and even 4, this medium one. So we can expect movement on these news as well in gold, but that will be shorter movement. So the gold will come back to its original position most likely after this news effect will finish. And that's what happens usually in the CAD when CAD news is on. And 1:30 we get US dollar as well. So that combining, we have to combine that with this news. So see what gonna happen. So you always can see the details, what will effect it can happen. Expected is minus 4.9, and actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So if it's good for actual, okay, there's a possibility if it's greater than forecast, it's good for currency. So there's a possibility of gold coming down if it is greater than what is forecasted. Okay. So let's see. Let's see what can happen, what the news will bring to us. Okay, that's as far as the news is concerned. And now going back to our usual charts, starting with Dixie. This chart is taking some time to load. For some reason, it's taking some time to download. Maybe a network issue or something. Right. Okay. So this Dixie daily chart is on let's go to 3-day chart. This, in fact, weekly. That's what the situation is. Interesting. The gold, the Dixie is rejected from here in weekly. However, there's another rejection area here, and this weekly evening star, you can say, should bring it down. So whether it comes down today or maybe after going further up and then come down. And that what we can see in the gold as well. The gold is bullish, so maybe the gold come down tomorrow, and then we can expect this Dixie with the news, gold come down, Dixie maybe to the upside, and with the rest of the week maybe this will come down further, and the gold accordingly, probably with the combined effect of news, gold will be more bullish. So that's what the situation looks like at the moment. And sorry, I'm looking at my trade as well. I have trade on. So I remove this and daily. According to the daily, we already have enough move up to nearly touch this level. However, it's still possible it can go further up. That means gold can go down. But let's see how this move will be formed. In 4 hours, that's more clearer picture. So if this level, if we have some candle broken down close above this level, then we definitely will see some sort of movement up to here. And to the downside, if the candle is close below this, our target area will be this first target, and to the downside next target, hopefully. And obviously the gold will move opposite, which it normally does. Probably 70 to 80% gold moves with Dixie, opposite to the Dixie. Right. Let's jump on to gold chart. What was the move in gold today? Just 15-minute chart here. Asian session. This Asian low, this Asian high. These one lines. Let me move these lines and you probably easily see this. So basically, Asia, London and Asian highs are almost the same. So there's not enough space, so I just put these lines almost together. So for two lines there for London session and single line there for New York session. So in New York session, gold gave some movement, as you can see. Around here somewhere. So, and in the London session, it moved, it came to this low, it made this low, took the liquidity from this London low, moving towards the London high. Moving towards this London high. Right. So hopefully it will move to this level before it comes down. Hopefully later on in the evening, when in fact it'll be morning in some places. So basically tomorrow morning, when the Asian session opens, we can possibly see the movement to the around these levels, around this level, even further to the upside. So I'm expecting that movement. Okay, so that is a 15-minute chart. So looking into 1 hour, let's see what's the chart is frozen again. Seems like a network issue. You can hear the beeping in the back as well. So this is a 1 hour chart, and this area has been very well tested. A very nice trade here, buy trade if you took from here. And we definitely we expect this level, as I said before, in 1 hour as well. So going into 4 hour, and you can see in 4 hours very bullish environment. Market broke this level, tested it. There's buy trade from here, made a double top, and then buy trade here in one item just seen. And it's possibly the scenario what is developing now in 4H. We definitely see the move to the upside. Reason being this small fair value gap has been tested as well, and there's a level as well. So possibly we won't see any movement to the downside for now. We'll possibly see the high moves, possibly these levels. Okay, if we put some lower highs, There's a small fair value gap as well in 4 hour. The 2080 is the area. Also because fair value gap here as well. The 2088 is the next area in Forex. You go into daily. We can see further move to the upside. Probably around 2100, I would expect. This is an even number. So that's what we expect. I would expect. And even daily, you can see the gold structure is bullish. Let me mark this trend line. Also, if you want to mark here, you can see the bullish structure here. So I hope this is helpful, guys. And let me go to smaller time frame and see how we can interpret that. So this structure was broken, and was first move, second move, and third move. In fact, this third move here is a breaker structure, and move to the upside, and then this is fib level. Let's see what's the fib level we have here. 0.38 fib level. Market respected that, made a double top. In fact, this is a double top, so we can just count this as a one move, or it is an internal structure in other words. So we can count this as a one move instead of making two, because it's a double top, equal highs, in other words. So market respected this. That was a fib level rejection, and also we have a structure here on the other side. Market made a double top. Once a double top is formed, we usually see a good movement. So we did see some movement. Market tried to market did induce this level. In fact, mitigated this level and moved to the upside. And then this was a level. This level was respected. Market came down. There's a fair value gap here in 15 minutes. Let me delete all this. This fair value gap has been respected. The market is moving now to the upside, and definitely we will see this movement further to the upside. And I'm expecting this structure to be broken as well. So let's see how the market moves first. Target here, and then probably move to the upside, as explained before. So that's the situation in gold, and I hope it helps. Tomorrow with the combination of news, I hope you make some good trade. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye-bye.